I just hit it up continental with the Stuart Little. I don't give a fuck about the this is the meanest truth. I don't give a fuck if I have 2 eyes or one eye. I want 2 eyes. So I have the meanest truth. I don't give a fuck about Lake Bell Middle School. I just wanna be cool. I don't act no fool. Or act like a fool. I just hit it up. She be looking like a cunt, but I'm rolling like a blunt. Fuck Miss Decker, like the Black and Decker. I don't give a fuck about it, cause I live that real life in the south side. I don't live that real life in the south side. I really live it in the east side of Temple, 18th Street. And you just already heard my whack ass beat. I don't give a fuck if my beat was whack, cause I'm fixing to get back on track. I'm the meanest truth, hitting records like Babe Ruth. I'm from 2002 and I'm still banging screw. Give a fuck about the minute, I don't give a fuck about the minute. And my nigga Poppy Damien, that Damien Partita, I don't give a fuck about that Damien Partita. Cause I hit it like the real Lakers, and I hit it on straight out of Texas, and hit it with this whole name Alexis. I don't give a fuck about it with my hoe. My man, her name Ariana fucking Perez. I don't give a fuck about it. This shit like a Perez. I don't even hit it up with my fucking girl. I don't give a fuck about the main hoe with the girl. I'm just the meanest truth, hitting it like Babe Ruth. I don't give a fuck about what it say on your clock, cause I'ma hit you up on your block with a fucking Glock. I don't even hit it with a gang. I just hit it with a motherfucking flock. I don't give a fuck. Put me in alternative school, but I don't give a fuck, cause I ain't acting no fool. I'm just hitting it up, cause I'm from 2002 and I live in real life, cause this shit is real life. Fucking dogs bark, cause they don't know how to hit it up like a fucking swimming like fast like a shark. They tell me you better have a gun. Nah, nigga, I know how to motherfucking run. I don't give a fuck, cause I hit it like I'm Forrest. I don't give a fuck about your game. My name is Forrest. I just hit it up, cause I'm learning that history like an ancient mystery. And math success leads it to a fucking path. And science like a complaints, but nigga, I go to school to get an education, but this bitch say you need an education. I don't give a fuck, cause I live in real life. I know I'm already the meanest truth, and I don't give a fuck about it like the meanest truth. You wanna know me, but I'm a real nigga. I'm an OG and another real nigga. You wanna be like me, but you a wannabe. That's why I'm the meanest truth, cause I hit the records better than Babe Ruth. Hit the best. And this is smooth. They just hit me like back to back. I want my records back to back. This shit out back to back. Fuck Drake back to back. And I just wanna hit it back to back. He thinks he's important because of his riches back to back, and I don't give a fuck about it back to back. I just like my real room back to back. I like the real hood back to back. Like Temple, Texas back to back. Hit it up back to back. I don't give a fuck about it back to back. I just hit it like real life. Golden State running practice at my house. Golden State is shit, nigga. I just hit it like the meanest truth. They see important unreligious, but it's way heavy on my conscience. So bitch, she left me for no options. I waited here 4 days ARS. Drove here swerving the Tennessee Drive. I don't give a fuck about it in the Texas Drive. I'm straight out of Texas Swing in a Lexus. Don't give a fuck about your hoe or your motherfucking cunt. I don't give a fuck about it. She a fucking hoe, and you gonna see me do this shit like Frio Chapo.